Welcome to Nuvo Corner. In this video, I'll be showing you how to install a 6-inch T-Hinge and a heavy-duty gate latch with cable and ring. This project should take you about 30 minutes. The tools you'll need for this installation are a measuring tape, a pencil, a drill with a wood drill bit, and a No. 2 Robertson drill bit. Start by measuring the desired location of the T-Hinge at the top and bottom of the gate. Use a drill with a No. 2 Robertson driver to fasten your hinges to the gate, making sure that the hinge is facing the way you want it to swing. Next, we are going to install the Nuvo iron handle. To do this, you will need to measure 40 inches from the bottom of the gate to the center of the handle. Using the Robertson driver, drill the screw into the provided holes. Next, secure your handle in place with the hardware provided. Put down 2 2x4s. This will ensure that you have some space under the gate for grass trimming and snow removal once the gate is installed. Next, bring your gate into place and make sure that your gate is level. Once your gate is level, fasten your hinges to the post using the hardware provided. To install your gate latch with the cable ring, you are going to want to start with measuring the desired height and making a mark. Next, fasten your finger to the gate at the mark using the hardware provided. Next, line up the catch and mark the hardware in place. Loosely drill the screws in place. Double-check and make sure that the finger and catch match up. To install the cable with ring, you are going to have to drill a screw into the back of the post. Next, you'll attach the string through the latch cap and tie the ring to the string. Then hang the ring on the screw. Lastly, remove the 2x4s. And you've done it! You have installed your Nuvo Iron 6-inch T-Hinge and a heavy-duty gate latch with cable and ring. For more metal gate and decor ideas, make sure to visit our website at nuvoiron.com.